Hello, welcome to our vlog.
Okay, we are at Waterway Point. It's a Monday. I'm night shift today. Here they are. So we are here to get the Christmas presents done up. Christmas shopping. So let's go. Hi. So we're at Toys R Us. As you can see, the Waterway Toys R Us expanded. So we're getting the Christmas presents here. So that is for him to just to entertain him first. We got most of the gifts here already, just missing a few. And I want that one. Yes, a working suction they put there. What is that for? So here are the boys. Yep, the usual rate now. $2 for a ride. They're very happy, yo. Only one ride, Yep, and that is the Christmas presents. Just sort of a few to go. My wife is looking elsewhere while these two are enjoying the ride. And they are all to their next ride. No, I only told you one ride, and this one, oh no, this stuck. And this ride only can sit one person. Oh, where are you running to? Okay, up here. Oh. Okay, there's a bike going on here. Okay, so we are at Times now. This little boy is a bit grumpy already. So this is keeping him entertained. Kids pressing the double. Over the other end there where the bags are, the wife is trying out the bags with Zion for his school bags. Oh, let's see, that's awesome. Can we make a move now? Let's go. Up. Oh, there's unhappiness there. It's gonna be a tough one to bring him up later. So while they are having ice cream, relax, enjoy the ice cream, bro. The wife went over to Typo to see if she can get some more gifts. This boy, yep, every single drop nice and clean into the mouth. Okay, so here is my duck rice. This is the meat, chili, tofu, egg, and this one is the rice. Okay, I'll give you some, okay? Duck rice. Okay, let's eat. So it's winter solstice. So winter solstice is a Chinese festival, and we'll have tang yuan, which is glutinous rice balls. This is made by my mom. So glutinous rice flour with water and then she has a white ones, the one she had red color food coloring to it. And the soup base will be gula melaka. Yep, with pandan leaf. Simple. It's all plain one inside. That's the ones you usually buy, the glutinous rice balls, all got, what do you call that thing? Filling. Yep, so homemade ones, no filling. Alright.
Happy birthday, Lola.
Hi, sing.
Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Lola. Happy birthday to you.
Say happy birthday, Lola.
Happy birthday, Lola.
Say we miss you.
I miss you.
Say we love you.
Coco. We love you.
We love you, who?
We love you, Lola.
Flying kiss?
Now let's blow out the candle.
Okay.
Okay, good morning. I'm currently, today is Wednesday, 22nd December. Yeah, it's about 15 in the morning. I'm at Bukit Timah Nature Reserve. I'm going for a ride on my bicycle in the trails. Yeah, so here is the car that I rented because it's off peak at this time. It's very much affordable. Oh, just a moment, I got to go unlock the back door, I think. Alright, there's my bicycle. Yep, so I have to take out the front wheel just to get it in. So I think let's fix up and get started. Okay, so front wheel fix. It was a quick one, just 2 minutes job only. And that is over at this side. So came in, the car is over there. Come over here, and there it is. It's gonna be a long ride because this one a lot of climbing and some technical stuff. Yeah, so not vlogging for the way in or vlogging during the ride, but I'll take some photos if I can, if I'm not too tired. Yeah, so alright, let's go. Okay, so now I'm at this point, tunnel vision. Let's take a break. Yeah, so you're steep at certain points. I was pushing the bike and pedal. So I think I started off here at the car park. Now I am here. So there is still a whole round. Then I'll be back. The rest will be a bit more difficult and technical. If you can't do it, take the B line or just push it through. Push the bike. I found already, if I get too tired, I need to stop. I have this point. You can stop, come out, then take the plug connector all the way back to the car park. But I think I can make it through. Alright, so this is quarry view. There used to be a quarry, so came up from there, the trail. Is the view. Let's see how far I can go. Okay, so tunnel vision was a tunnel, a bit of a steep tunnel, and now this is down here, which is, they call it double drop. Yeah, this is also another steep one. A big drop there, and then another one here. Most of them will be flying through here, and over at the top corner there is, they call it the B line, which loops all the way inside and come out over here. They have repaired that one, but I didn't go through, so I just took a slow walk down with my bike. Then you'll be down that side. So
Hi, good morning. Ang tawag doon, ayan, may bisita kami. O, kilala nyo ba? Dapat hindi ka muna lumikot. Ang tawag doon, busy yung mga bata. Pakita ko sa trend. nasa background yung ano yung vlogmas ni Ana, kaya in-start namin ng vlogmas day 1 niya. And yung mga bata. Hello guys. Everything's okay? No fighting, okay? Put back the toys when you're done playing. Opo. Ay, Ezra cooking. Are you cooking, Ezra Boo? I know Oh, yes. Huh? They don't wanna poop? Coco? Come down. Hi. Dito yung dalawang bunso. I'm Ezra. You like? Oh, no. Nag-start na si Wilma magluto ng pakbet. Pinapakuluan niya muna yung baboy. And then these are the ingredients. And then mamaya mag-aano kami daing, and then this one batang na fillet. I-ano rin namin, i-prito. Here's Coco. He's eating na. What are you eating, anak? Fish and rice. Can I put some vegetable?
No.
No? Si Ezra, kasi Lance kumakain fish. Favorite niya fish. Si ito. Oh, you have fish? Wow. Come. Mommy cut. Wait, mommy cut. Wait, mommy cut the fish. Okay, na? Actually, marami na siyang nakain. Hanggang kakatapos lang niyang kumain, nagmamasahe. Magsusuka yan. Niyuyug-yug niya yung katawan niya. Then we're starting to eat na. And so yummy. It's my favorite. But, tapos may daan. Anong nangyari sa'yo? Baka magsuka ka. Daing, tsaka may batang. Ayan. Sarap. Kain tayo. Ha? Ayan, ay suka. Train station. Kailangan namin tumawid to go to the bus stop there. Over there, the bus stop is there. So you need to take the lift. Come on. Tinawagan ko na yung mother-in-law ko. Sabi ko, papunta na kami. Sabi niya, sige, meet ko kayo dyan. Para may mag-alaga kay Ezra. Anak, don't block. You see there's a screen there, so you know which is the next stop.
Where are we going?
Apple. Where's Coco?
Oh, what's this?
What?
Mommy, look here.
Why?
Look at this rock.
Hello! Ayan, ano na? 6:30 na. And, maghuhugas pa lang ako ng pinagkainan namin ng lunch. Actually, wala masyado. Kasi nga, bumili lang ako ng noodles kanina. And, ang tawag doon, after that, magluluto na rin ako ng aming dinner. Kaso, hindi ko alam kung parang gusto ko magmaling lang at saka itlog. Parang tinatamal ako magluto at saka nakalimutan ko din mag-defrost ng karne. Which is okay lang din kasi puro na kami karne ng karne. Parang nakakaano na. And wala akong masyadong gulay. So, Iniisip ko baka magmaling na lang o kaya corned beef, lalagyan ko ng patatas. Tapos, mag-steam na lang ako siguro ng carrots for Ezra. Let's see. So, yun. Wala, update ko lang kasi parang wala na ako masyadong mag-vlog ngayon. So, i-end ko na siya ngayon kasi maghuhugas lang ako and then mag-start na ako ng dinner and then as usual, papakainin ko na sila ng maaga bago dumating yung daddy nila. Para pagdating ng daddy nila is matutulog na sila. Kasi kailangan na ni Zion maano yung tulog niya ng maaga. Pero kahit na ilang beses na namin siyang pinapatulog ng maaga, hindi pa rin siya hindi pa rin nare-regulate. Minsan late pa rin siyang matulog. So, yeah, let's see. Kaka-receive ko lang ng message ng school niya doon sa app. May app kasi yung school nila. Na yun nga yung na nila yung sa school, mag-start na yung school na sa 4, ganyan yung mga gagawin, yung mga protocols kasi nga yung sa virus, ganyan. So, yeah. So, yep. As always, thank you for following us following us in the library. Nag-enjoy si Zion at saka may nahiram siyang mga books, hindi ko na napakita. And hindi ako masyadong makapag-vlog kanina kasi kasama ko nga yung mother-in-law ko. So, nahiya ako. Kaya, yun. See you again in our next vlog.
Thank you for watching our vlog. Bye!